Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how I prepare my spinach, avocado and banana deep conditioner. So let's get started. So the first thing I do, I will add spinach. I have spinach in here, just baby spinach, whatever spinach you have. Add a little bit of coconut milk. Add half of banana, okay? So now I'm going to add 1 avocado. Blend it. Final result, I have my green smoothie for my hair. So I have spinach, avocado, banana, coconut milk. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna strain it. I'm gonna mix a little bit with this argan conditioner. I got this from Home Sense in Toronto. So I pay $14.99 for it. It's the first time I'm going to use that, so I'm gonna mix a little bit with my smoothie for my hair. So you see, I didn't put a lot of coconut milk because I want that conditioner consistency. I don't want it to run all over me. So that's it. That's all. You know, I don't waste nothing. So even if it's here, I take whatever is here. My hair needs all of it. I'm just going to add my argan conditioner, just a little bit. At this point, you can no longer eat your smoothie, okay? Let's mix well. That's it. So stay tuned if you want to see how I apply it on my hair, okay? Ladies, this is so smooth. This is the best. This is the cream of the cream. This is everything. I think this is gonna be my new favorite deep conditioner now. Wow, I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then I secure it with this pin. Okay, so I wash my hair. So now I am going to use the argan conditioner, you know. Now I am going to add my good stuff. So the first thing will be olive oil. Use almond oil as well, okay? And the last thing, I am going to add my essential oil, and today I am using patchouli oil. Okay, it smells really good. I really like this oil. Okay, so I'm going to mix that and I'm going to apply that on my hair after I remove the avocado and I wash my hair with apple cider vinegar mixed with water. Now I am going to remove the mask from my hair, and then I will wash my hair with apple cider vinegar mixed with water. Okay. Put this in garbage. So now, instead of using shampoo, I am going to use apple cider vinegar mixed with water only. Okay, and I use the apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. Okay, the organic one. I'm just gonna massage that into my scalp. Okay, so at this point I don't rinse my hair, I let it be. So what I'm going to do next, I'm just gonna apply my conditioner. Okay. It smells so good. Oh my god. I sat under the hooded dryer for 30 minutes. So now I'm going to rinse it off and style my hair. I am going to apply my contour shea butter. So I'm going to pin it like that, and I'm going to leave my hair dry. So my next step, I'm going to do single twist for the entire week. I'm going to apply my shea butter, and then I have castor oil. I'm going to apply that. Okay. know what? I always do it on this side. I think I'm gonna go on, twist everything this way. Okay, let's do it. Right now, what's worked for me is single twist, and this is my go-to hairstyle. For me, hair extension is not an option. It's whatever I can do with my hair. Can my hair do it? Is it feasible for my hair? I stick to it. If it's not feasible, I move on to another hairstyle. So that's what I've been doing. Like you can see, the mask is very simple to do, and this hairstyle is very simple. If during the week you want a fresh look, you can only redo the first two, and you can redo this, put it down, boom, you have a new look. Or you can grab your hair, put everything on a nice hair and a nice bun, and you can redo the three. You have a new look. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I will see you next time with another video. Thank you. Bye.